moving on, it appears the iftar hosted by actor and TVK founder Vijay in Tamil Nadu has now drawn the ire of certain fringe elements. A fatwa has now been issued. That's right. A fatwa has been issued against actor turned politician by Maulana Shahabuddin Barelvi, the national president of the All India Muslim Jamaat and chief mufti of Darul Ifta. The fatwa issued by Maulana Shahabuddin Barelvi brands the TVK chief as anti-Muslim, accusing him of actions that allegedly disrespect and misrepresent the community. The Maulana claims that actor Vijay hosted an iftar party where individuals described as gamblers, alcoholics and other antisocial elements were in attendance, a move he sees as deeply inappropriate. He further alleges that Vijay is attempting to exploit Muslim sentiments for political gains, pointing to scenes in the actor's film Beast, where Vijay portrays a Muslim character. The film, according to Maulana, dangerously associates Islam with terrorism. The most damning accusation is that all of this, in his view, amounts to a calculated appeasement strategy aimed at coating Muslim votes. But are these charges valid? What do people think? Well, we decided to get the Janta's take on this. Listen in.
Movie is just an entertainment. That depends on the story writer or the director's how he writes a story. The movie is taken based on that. I don't think movie director directs a movie based on these sentiments. For that story, maybe that essence was required at that point in time. He had done it.
सिनेमा जो है ना, जो डायरेक्टर उसका जो मन में लिखता है वो सिर्फ फिक्शन है, सिर्फ स्टोरी है. जो भी है, जो सब्जेक्ट है उसी के बारे में वो एक्टिंग करता है. बाकी जो वो पॉलिटिकल कनेक्ट करने में कोई इतना ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो मेरा जो सोच है, तो सिनेमा अलग है और ये पॉलिटिकल थिंग अलग है.
Also have to understand that movies are made following a certain trend. So obviously that showing a certain section of society as an antagonist is obviously very regressive, and I'm happy to say that films these days are no longer promoting that or no longer taking that up in their scripts and everything. So yes, if you look at this issue as a broader stance, I think maybe he would have been motivated to take up such films because that was the trend back then. But obviously his personal stance on these issues I believe would be completely different.
You know, Vijay as an actor doesn't decide the story of the movie, right? It is done by a screenplay writer. There is a director and a producer. Vijay just acts in the movie. So politics is politics, and personally he could definitely be a different person. I think we should view this as two different aspects of life and not mixed together.
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.